So today we are going to learn conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are a group of words which join the two sentences, okay, or two independent sentences, or two phrases, or two dependent sentences, even subordinate sentences, okay. Like you can see, Ram is my friend. Sham is my friend. So how can you write both these sentences in together? Because you can see something is common. Ram is also my friend and Sham is also my friend. Okay. So they both are my friends. So how can I join this sentence? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, Sham and Ram
Ram and Sham are my friends.
Very good. Ram and Sham are my friends. Okay. So we have joined two sentences with the help of word which is known as conjunction. Okay. To make our conversation easier. Conjunction is a group of words. Is a word which join. It can be more than two. Okay. It can be two or more than two. Conjunctions are the word groups are the words which join two sentences. Fine. Am I clear, children? When we are using and, when there is when both the things are same, like Ram is my friend, Sham is my friend. So here I can write Ram and Sham are my friends. But when there is a contrast, you can see this sentence. I like coffee. I don't like tea. So now join this sentence. I like coffee. I don't like tea. Can you join now? Anyone?
I like coffee, but I don't like
I like
tea.
Coffee. I like coffee.
coffee,
don't
but I
like-
don't like tea. I like coffee, but I don't
But
like
don't like, but don't
I
like,
don't like tea.
I don't like tea. Or if I change the sentence, would you like coffee? Would you like tea?
Do you like coffee or tea?
Would you like coffee or tea?
Yes, would you like coffee or tea? Again, we have used conjunction. What is the conjunction here?
Or
Very good. When there is a choice, we are using or conjunction. Okay. When we want to give any reason, then I can't come to school.
because
Because
Yes, I can't come to school because I am ill. And we will join these two sentences. We will use because.
because
Yes, I can't come to school because I am ill.
ill.
Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when we are using so, again, when we are giving reason, I am ill, so I cannot come to school. You can change this sentence into so. And these conjunctions are coordinating conjunctions. Okay. We will use acronym fanboys, where F stand for, A stand for and, A stand for and, nor, but, O or Y, yet, and S, so. So these are the conjunctions are used in coordinating conjunction. I think this is clear, children, to everyone. Is this clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you can see here, some of the conjunctions are there. The child came and but or so sat beside her mother. You can see here, there are three types of conjunctions: coordinating, correlative, and subordinating. Coordinating conjunctions we are using when the two sentences are independent. Okay, we are just joining them. And when more than two conjunctions we are using, that is correlative. And in subordinating, one sentence is dependent on other. This we will learn later on. Meanwhile, we'll see this example. The child came and but or sat beside her mother. The child came and sat beside her mother. I ran to the door or while but she had already left. What will come? But. Who we want to answer? Speak up. Who we speak up? Who we unmute yourself? Yes, Tanish, you can speak. She is not audible to me.
Yes, ma'am. Third sentence, tea or and but coffee are both beverages.
Yes.
Ma'am, here will be and.
Yes. Here will come and tea and coffee are both beverages because we are talking about both. So or is wrong here. Okay. Next, Ridhima, try the next one. Ridhima, unmute yourself and try the next one.
Do the work you can. Yes. Do the work first you can.
Yes, this is completely right sentence. Do the work when you can. I went out, but because or the sun was shining. I went out, but the sun was shining. But will come here. So conjunction is a word that is used to join words, group of words or sentences. A conjunction that is used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal importance is called a coordinating conjunction. So you can see coordinating conjunction with their meanings and used to join or add words. When you want to join or add words together in a sentence, we use and. Like you can see this example. I walk to the shelf and place the cup on it. Or shows choice or possibilities. You must run or you will miss the bus. But used to show opposite or conflicting ideas. He is brilliant, but he's shy. Then so it shows when we are using so, which shows result. She is ill, so she is not at home. So now you can see there are more than two conjunctions as well as or else, yet, nevertheless, still, whereas, else, otherwise. Okay. So these are coordinating conjunction.